Good morning. So, in the last video, I assured you I would finish all of my spinning. I did not, but I do have this much yarn that is spun, and I can make something out of this. So, I am going to be making a hat, I think. Probably a beret. I think those are cute, and I haven't made one before. So, we're just gonna do a quick and easy little crochet video. Okay, I'm back. Balled my yarn. So, first things first. I've got my hat. That's gonna be sort of my template. I think that's the word I'm looking for. So, first things first now. We're going to make I'm gonna make a magic circle. And this yarn is so wonky. I love it. Okay. I'm so excited to be working with hand spun yarn again, especially yarn that I've spun. I think that's so fun. And because this yarn is unique, to put it nicely, I'm gonna go with a pretty basic stitch. I don't want anything fancy, so I think I'll just do half doubles. Maybe I should go up to a 6. Yeah, I'm gonna go up to a 6mm hook. Just keep you. Oh hooks, where did I put you? Found it. Always check between the cushions if you lose a hook. That's where I lose mine. Okay. Oh yeah, that works so much better. So, it's the new year. Wow, exciting. How has everyone been doing? Trying anything new? Doing anything fun? Any resolutions? I'll tell you what my resolution is. Well, I've got a couple. One is to try new fruits, because, I don't know, just want to. I feel like that's a sort of fun, easy thing that you can just do. See a new fruit? Try it. My other resolution is to draw more. So, you may have heard me mention once or twice that I went to art school. I went to the Maine College of Art specifically, and my original plan was to get a illustration degree, but kids are mean, and like I got accepted into Mecca 3 times on 3 separate occasions. And on the 3rd time I did actually go, but like I was already pretty into my own style, or I had found my own art style, and I don't know. I was always told my work was too line heavy, and then like bullied. If you've met illustrators, it's a very competitive field to be in. And, you know, when you're 25 and you're in a classroom full of 17-year-olds, it's tough. Kids are mean. Like, we know this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12, okay. But I still love illustration, and I'd like to do it more. So my goal is to try to draw more and get back into that as just a personal little Kim hobby. Okay, I changed my mind. This is way too thick. I'm gonna start over and find a bigger hook and deal with it. Okay, so I switched to a 10mm hook and this is working like a dream. Oh, it's looking so fun already. This yarn is wild, man. I guess I'm just gonna keep going until it's about the size of this hat, and then once I finish the top bit, we'll talk about how we're going forward. Okay. Okay, so I've got my circle big enough. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna half double chain right around. I'm gonna half double crochet, or maybe I'll single crochet. I've got this much yarn left, so yeah, we'll do a single. And I'm not gonna increase, I'm not gonna decrease yet either. This is just to give it a bit of a shape. Hey, welcome to the kitchen. So, I've got my beret. It's a little tight at the moment, so we're gonna block it. So I got a big old bowl of water. I'm just gonna plop that right in there and let it soak for a while. I already weaved in all of my edges. I recommend weaving in your edges before you block something, because you're, once again, sort of felting, especially with natural fibers, you're sort of felting them together. So you don't want to deal with that. Deal with your ends with like a semi-felted fabric. It's just unpleasant. Oh, and you'll notice I have a bit of brown wool down here. I ran out of my yarn, so I just went with something that didn't matter. And you'll notice even now it's getting easier to stretch this, but we're gonna let this sit for about half an hour, and then we're gonna pull it out. And I don't have like a blocking board or anything. I should invest in like a yoga mat, a cheap one that I can block on. But for now, we're just gonna get a towel, I guess, and roll it up real good. Okay. We'll see you in like half an hour. So I made this too small for me. I physically cannot get it on my head. Which is funny because I could at least kind of get it on before I blocked it. I made it too small. Whoops. That happens. I don't know. It's nice yarn that I made, and I'm happy that I made this. I might, honestly, I might just stick it on the wall. Call it decoration. That's all you can do with some things sometimes. Take the loss and whatever. So, I did make something with the yarn I made. That's good. It didn't work. That's okay. I'm not upset about that. And yeah, I already know what I'm going to be doing for my next video, so stay tuned. If you enjoy, hanging out with me while I make things. If you enjoy seeing my cats sometimes, they like to pop in and out every now and then, consider sticking around, maybe subscribing, leave a comment or a like, and see you in the next one. Bye.